Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets step by step. Pivot tables are a powerful tool that helps you summarize, analyze, and organize large amounts of data quickly. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet containing the data you want to analyze. Make sure your data is organized into columns with clear headers at the top. Next, click anywhere inside your dataset. Then click on Insert in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear asking where you want to place the pivot table. You can choose New Sheet to create the pivot table on a separate worksheet or Existing Sheet to place it in your current sheet. Select your preferred option and click Create. Google Sheets will generate a blank pivot table and open the pivot table editor on the right side of the screen. Now it's time to build your pivot table. Under Rows, click Add and choose the field you want to group your data by. For example, you might select a product name, category, or department. Next, under Values, click Add and choose the field you want to calculate. Google Sheets can automatically count, sum, average, and perform other calculations on your data. You can also add columns and filters to further organize and refine your results. As you add fields, the pivot table will update automatically. This allows you to quickly analyze trends and summarize information without manually sorting your data. Once you're happy with the layout, your pivot table is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a pivot table in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.